last but not least, this in the 243 using the 100 grain Hornady BTSP interlock, has a 0.405 G1BC. I got a 3-shot muzzle velocity average of 2698. And I have that video out there too of that. But look at that group, half-inch group. That's going to be the one you want. If you have this Savage, this is in a Savage 110 Trail Hunter Lite. So, and using those muzzle velocities and such and the G1BC, this is the numbers I get. Dropping 4 inches at 200, 15 inches at 300, and almost 62 inches at 500. Has almost 1,000 foot-pounds of energy left at 300 yards. That, I mean, that's probably a deer round all the way out to 300 yards. Probably even coyotes out to 500 yards. So, accurate 3-shot group, punching out the bullseye. Pretty good velocities and energy, even at distance. And pretty fast in a 20-inch barrel. This is a 20-inch barrel, 20 almost 2,700 foot per second. Compare that with some of these other ones that I did. I did the SST 95 grain. Got that group. Now these groups are at 100 yards. So is that other group I just showed you. Pretty close energy there, pretty close numbers. The 90 grain ELDX did really good. I got an inch and a 16th inch group out of that one. And yeah, the numbers are pretty close to that Hornady. But well, they're really close. I mean, the BTSP interlock was pretty much the same drops. It was 4, 14, and 62. This one's 4, 14, and 58. The energies for the 100 BTSP was 1162, 976, and 675. So pretty much all within about 50 foot-pounds. So the ELDX 90 grain and the 100 grain Boattail BTSP interlock, pretty close. The Sierra 85 hollow point Boattail is probably it's probably not the best option as far as deer size game, especially the energy. You can tell it's quite a bit smaller. If you're within 200, it's going to be fine. It would be fine for deer, I'm sure. But outside of that, I mean, you probably don't want to hunt deer with a 243 anyway at 300 yards. But within 200, I think all these would do fine, honestly. And with coyotes, probably 300 yards or so. But those are the numbers. They all did pretty good groups. And this is off of a bipod, like I said, bipod. So there's room for movement and stuff like that. And it's a 20-inch barrel. These aren't going to be screaming at 3,000 feet per second. You need a longer barrel for that one, but these are still really good numbers, and they would do everything you could ask for a deer within 200 yards, and coyote well out to probably 300 plus. So there it is. Thanks for watching.